Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on downloading free games on Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the homepage of the Switch, open up the Nintendo eShop. In the Nintendo eShop, select Search from the left sidebar menu. Then scroll down and select Filtered Search. Scroll down to Price Range and tap on Not Specified. And then select Free Download from the Price options. Tap Search on the right. Now on the right here you have a list of the free games you can download. It is categorized by most popular first. You can change that in the top right if you like. To download a game, just open it and then tap Free Download. Then tap Free Download again. That game will now download and you can see the download progress on your home screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo Switch tips and tricks.